Ooh, you hear that? You hear that? You hear that ball in there? Oh yeah, that's a full can. What's up, people? Welcome back to the channel. We got another good one for you today. Because today we're gonna be painting the seats in Project Hollywood. But before that, I want to go to the big box hardware store Emporium and go get a few supplies for doing our own DIY paint shaker. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into that so we can get to painting these seats. Let's go. We have arrived at Stupid Big Mega Hardware Superstore. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Who else hate that jingle? First thing I'm gonna need is some 3-inch PVC. Perfect. Five 16 washer. And 5 16. These. Doing good. How you doing? Those are 5 16.
Customer needs assistance.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. So we're back. It's everything that we picked up. Super Mega Hardware store really came through. So the guy in the video I saw on YouTube, he like disassembled all of this and he didn't need nothing but a washer, all this other jazz, you know. So he took this apart. That's the wrong receipt. Anyway, yeah, so he got this washer. Threw the washer on that puppy. This is what is it called? A pipe test or something like that. Washer, and it's actually, so his information was wrong. He said it was a 5 16. It's actually a what was it? It was a 3/8. Yeah, his numbers was wrong. 5 16 is way too small. So homeboy deserved to be bodied over that. Made me waste my 35 cents on the wrong stuff, and that's before taxes. Should be an exact fit. I saw a different thing. I didn't want to get this mega tube. This is overkill. But a smaller tube, the one that I was eyeing, it cost more than this. But it still would have saved me from having to screw around with this once I got home. Yeah, this'll do. Who cares about stripping this? I don't. This is I mean, at least he was right on the 3-inch, because 4 inches was overkill. 2 inches, obviously, it ain't gonna fit no can in it. So when you tighten this puppy on here, it should eventually expand. Maybe it's expanding some. I probably should have took it out. I guess all right. It still fit in there. Shout out to my fellow left-handed people. I probably stripped the crap out of that. But of course, if dude had his facts straight, I wouldn't have showed up with a wrench that was the wrong size. Shout out to Hyper Tough for making the best tools. We live a hyper tough lifestyle around here. Yeah, it's on there pretty good. This thing probably gonna be overkill. 2 feet. Hyper Tough need to come out with commercials like Hyper Tough, affordable tools. No. I botched that. No, it should be Hyper Tough. Tough tools, affordable prices. Walmart always showing some love, you know? Mulligan. Yeah. It's a little wobbly. I mean, this thing is 95 feet long that I left on here. Yeah, I like it. I guess I guess we can go ahead and saw this down some. Let's get the saw out the truck. Hyper Tough. Tough tools, affordable prices. We're gonna use that one. Here we go. We're gonna go with the jigsaw. Hyper Tough. Tough tools, affordable prices. Shout out to Walmart, man. Walmart always showing love. I guess this is a review video for this puppy. The Hyper Tough 3.5 jigsaw. Where? Whoa. Is this my saw? There she is. I got my shanker saw. I don't know why I'm cutting so high on this thing. Let's go. Ooh, this thing smells like it needs to be oiled first. Wow, that ain't playing around. That is crooked. Success. Undo that blade. Pop that puppy in there. Ooh, you hear that? You hear that? You hear that ball in there? Oh yeah, that's a full can. That is a full can. Wow, that ball is getting it in at Super Big Hardware Mega Store. Oh, that is so satisfying. So thanks for watching part 1, and stay tuned for part 2. But make sure you're subscribed so you can be notified when it comes out, because the next episode we'll be testing out a new paint shaker, and also we're going to be painting the seats in Project Hollywood. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tep Auto out.